Hi, I'm Sierra. We are going to be solving video problem 1 for the exam for Math 176. So let's get into it. So the problem states convert 300 yards to meters using the fact that 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. And explain your reasoning with multiplication and or division so that a 5th grader can understand your reasoning. Do not use the dimensional analysis method. So let's start with what we know. So what we know here is that 1 inch, oh, this one's not a very good marker. Let's pick a different one. Okay. So 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. Now, how can we get from inches to yards or to meters? So we know that a yard is 3 feet. We know that 1 foot is 12 inches, so those inches are coming back into play. And we know that 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So now we have centimeters, centimeters, inches, inches, feet, yard, meters. So how can we put all this together to get our answer? Well, let's start big and get smaller, right? So let's start with what we were given in the problem, which is 300 yards, right? Now we know how to move from yards to feet. For every 1 yard, there's 3 feet. So we're going to multiply 300 yards times 3 feet to convert yards to feet. And we're going to get 900 feet. Now we're going to move from feet to inches, because we know here that feet convert to inches pretty easily. So we have 900 feet now. We're going to move from feet to inches. Inches are smaller than feet, so you might think we should divide here, but we're actually going to multiply. Now, why does that make sense? It makes sense because since inches are smaller than feet, we need more inches for every 1 foot. Right? So if we had ants and a snake, we know ants are smaller than a snake. So to get the same length of a snake with ants, we're going to need more ants, not less ants. So we are going to multiply now by 12 inches, and we're going to get our answer is 10,800 inches. Now let's start with what we have so far again. Put that guy first. 10,800 inches. And we're going to move from inches to centimeters now. So to get from inches to centimeters, we know 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. So if we have 10,800 inches, are we going to have more or less centimeters? More, right? Because 2.54 centimeters equals 1 inch. So if we have 10,800 inches, we're going to multiply there again. So times 2.54 centimeters gives us 27,432 centimeters. So now let's start with what we have again. So 27,432 centimeters. And we know to get from centimeters to meters, there's 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Our ultimate answer we're looking for is meters. So what we're going to do is 27,432 centimeters. We're going to divide by 100 centimeters. Now, why are we dividing instead of multiplying here? We are trying to get centimeters by itself. So we're dividing by itself. So 27,432 centimeters divided by 100 centimeters is going to leave us with meters. So we will come to find that our answer converted to meters is actually 274.32 meters is what's equal to 300 yards.